Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the battery percentage not showing on the iPhone 17e. So if you want your battery percentage to be displayed like this in the top right, all you need to do is go to settings and then scroll down to battery, and then we're going to scroll down and enable battery percentage. So here, as you can see, without the battery percentage, this is what the bar looks like. So this little battery is going to deplete, and if you want to check the battery percentage, you need to scroll up to the task bar. But if you enable it, it's always going to be displayed like that. And that is pretty much it. That is how you enable it. Now, you can also add a widget to the home screen by holding on the home screen like this until the icon starts to shake. Then tap on Edit, tap on Add Widget, and then scroll down and find the battery widget. So there we go, batteries. Tap on that. And here we have a few options. So we have the normal one, which only displays the phone's battery. We have these 4 circles, which also display the devices that are connected to your device. And then we have this one, which is a giant list of all of the devices that are connected. So just select the one that you want, tap on Add Widget, and it's going to get added just like this. And then you can also drag it around and place it wherever you want. Or you can also resize it and change the look of the widget by just dragging on the little resizer right here in the bottom right of the widget. And that is pretty much it. This is how you display the battery percentage. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.